Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to change profile picture on Yahoo Mail application using your mobile device. If you want to change your profile picture on Yahoo Mail, launch open the Yahoo Mail app first on your device. Make sure that you are logged into your Yahoo account. Once you're inside the home page, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile picture. Now in the expanded menu, click Settings. Under Settings, tap on Manage Accounts at the top. Click on the Account button underneath your email, and then you'll be taken to this page. To change your profile picture, tap on the camera button right underneath your current profile picture, and then you can go ahead and take a photo from your device's camera by tapping on Take a Photo. If you want to add an existing picture from your device's camera roll, tap on Choose from Library. Now select a picture you'd like to use as your profile picture on Yahoo. After doing so, your new profile picture will reflect on your account. So that's how you easily change your profile picture on Yahoo. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.